Greetings. Today, we bring you something simple but very powerful. This is not magic. This is not talent. This is about how you train your brain to grow stronger every day. Look around you. Some people think fast. They speak clearly. They learn quickly. It feels like they are born that way. And when you compare yourself to them, your effort feels small. So you slow down. You doubt yourself. You think, maybe I am not smart enough. But here is the truth. Your brain is not fixed. It can grow, it can change, it can become stronger, just like a muscle. The question is, are you feeding it the right way? Today, we start with step 1. Feed your brain. Right. Think about your body. If you eat junk all day, you feel tired, you feel slow, you feel heavy. Your brain works the same way. If you feed it junk, it becomes weak. What is brain junk? Too much scrolling, too many short videos, too much noise, too many useless thoughts. It feels fun in the moment, but slowly it steals your focus. It steals your energy. It makes your mind lazy. Now think about brain food, good ideas, good books, good conversations, time to think, time to reflect. This is what makes your brain strong. You do not need to study all day. You just need to choose better input. Start small. Instead of 1 hour of random videos, watch something that teaches you a skill. Instead of gossip, listen to something that makes you think. Instead of noise, sit in silence for a few minutes. Let your brain breathe, because your brain is always learning. The question is, what are you teaching it? Every day, you are either growing or you are staying stuck. There is no middle. You cannot expect a strong mind if you feed it weak things. Be honest with yourself. What are you feeding your brain every day? If you change this one thing, you will start to feel different. You will think clearer. You will focus better. You will feel more in control. And this is just step 1. There is more coming, much more. But before we go ahead, make a small promise to yourself. From today, you will protect your mind. You will choose what enters your brain because your future depends on what you feed it today. If you want to grow stronger with us, make sure you subscribe to the channels Spark and Speak Step 2. Train your focus now. Listen carefully. Most people are not weak. Their focus is weak. They start something, then stop. They try again, then get distracted. Phone rings. Notification comes. Mind jumps. And just like that, their power is gone. Focus is like a muscle. If you don't train it, it stays weak. If you train it daily, it becomes strong. Right now, your brain is used to quick rewards, fast videos, fast fun, fast pleasure. But real growth is slow. So when you sit to learn, your brain feels bored. It wants to escape. This is the moment that matters. Not when you feel motivated, but when you feel like quitting. This is where strong people are made. Start simple. Give yourself 10 minutes, just 10. No phone, no noise, no switching. Pick one task and stay with it. Your mind will try to run. It will say, check your phone. Do something else. This is boring. Do not listen. Stay. Even if it feels hard, stay. Because every second you stay, your focus gets stronger. Next day, do 15 minutes, then 20. Slowly, your brain will change. You will notice something. You can sit longer. You can think deeper. You can finish what you start. And that is rare. Most people never reach here. They keep jumping from one thing to another. Busy, but not productive. Do not be like that. Train your focus like a skill. Protect your time. Turn off what does not matter. Say no to small distractions, because small distractions create a weak mind. And the weak mind cannot build a strong life. Remember this. Where your focus goes, your future grows. This is step 2. And it can change everything if you take it seriously. We are not done yet. Step 3. Build a strong learning habit. Now we go deeper because motivation is not enough. Focus is not enough. What you really need is habit. Think about it. Some days you feel strong. Some days you feel lazy. If you only study or grow on good days, you will never become consistent. And without consistency, there is no real progress. So what is the solution? Make learning a habit, not a choice. Do it even when you don't feel like it. Start small, very small, even 15 minutes a day. But do it every day. No excuses. Not I am busy, not I am tired. Just 15 minutes, because habits are powerful. They do not need motivation. They work on auto mode. At first, it feels hard. Your mind will resist. It will say, skip today, start tomorrow. One day will not matter. But listen carefully. One day becomes two. Two becomes a week. Then you stop completely. That is how most people fail. Not suddenly, slowly. So you must break this cycle. Show up daily. Even if your energy is low, even if your mood is off, just show up. Because every time you show up, you are training your brain to obey you. And that is powerful. Slowly, something will change inside you. You will not need motivation anymore. You will just do it. Like brushing your teeth, like eating food, it becomes part of you. And when that happens, you become different from most people. Because most people wait for feelings, but successful people build systems. This is the secret, not talent, not luck, just habit. And now you are building it, step by step, day by day. Step 4. Control your thoughts. Now we reach a very important point, because your brain does not just learn from books, it also learns from your thoughts, and most people don't realize this. They are not weak because of outside world. They are weak because of inside talk. Every day your mind is speaking to you. I can't do this. This is too hard. I am not smart enough. I will fail. And slowly you start believing it. But here is the truth. Your thoughts are not facts. They are just patterns. And patterns can be changed. You must learn to control what you tell yourself. Not everything you think is real. When a negative thought comes, do not accept it immediately. Pause for a moment. Ask yourself, is this helping me or stopping me? If it is stopping you, replace it. I can't do this becomes I can learn this step by step. This is too hard becomes I will try again slowly. It sounds simple, but it changes everything. Because your brain listens to what you repeat. If you repeat weakness, you become weak. If you repeat growth, you become strong. This is how your mind is built. And one more thing. Do not believe every failure story you tell yourself. You failed before, yes, but that does not mean you will always fail. That was just a moment, not your identity. You are not your past mistakes. You are what you decide next. So take control. Speak to yourself like someone you want to become, not someone you are afraid of being, because your thoughts are shaping your reality every single day. And if you control your thoughts, you control your life. This is step 4. Now only one step is left, and it will bring everything together. Step 5. Push your limits. Every day. Now we reach the final step. And this is where real change happens. Because learning, focus, habits, and thoughts, all of them mean nothing if you never push yourself beyond comfort. Most people live inside a small circle. They do what feels easy. They avoid what feels hard. They stay safe. And they think, I am fine like this. But growth never happens in comfort. Growth always starts where comfort ends. So you must learn one simple rule. Do one hard thing every day, not something impossible. Just something that challenges you a little. Read one difficult page. Learn one new idea. Solve one problem you usually avoid. Speak one sentence you are afraid to speak. Small steps, but uncomfortable steps. Small steps, but uncomfortable steps. Because every time you do something hard, your brain expands. It learns, I can handle more than I thought. And slowly, Your limit moves forward. What felt hard yesterday feels normal today. What feels hard today, what feels hard today will feel easy tomorrow. This is how strong minds are built, not in one big moment, but in small daily pressure. Now listen carefully. You will not always feel ready. You will not always feel confident. But confidence comes after action, not before it. So act first. Even if your hands shake a little, even if your mind resists, do it anyway. Because every time you push your limit, you break an old version of yourself and you build a new one, stronger, clearer, more focused. And one day you will look back and not recognize the old you. That is real growth. Not sudden change, but steady transformation, step by step, day by day. Now all 5 steps are complete. Feed your brain right, train your focus, build your habit, control your thoughts, push your limits. If you follow even a part of this, your brain will not stay the same. It will grow, it will sharpen, it will become powerful, but only if you apply it. Not just listen, but do. And if you are serious about improving your mind and your life, subscribe to Spark and Speak. Stay connected, keep learning, and keep growing. Because your real journey starts now.